These days a message going viral on social media, in which the 2000 rupees notes is being claimed that is totally banned. After this new notes 1000 rupees will issue. That mean this 1000 rupees notes will be back on the market. A new updates will be issued by THRBI regarding this. Friends, let us tell you this, that the Reserve Bank of India has clearly said that it has no plan for introduce 1000 rupees new notes, nor is RBI considering new notes of 1000 rupees. Regarding this, new agency ANI made a post on Twitter saying that RBI will not considering reintroduce the new notes of 1000 rupees. Let us tell you that the Reserve Bank of India announced the removal of 2000 rupees currency notes from circulation is mid-May this year. The last date for submitted the 2000 rupees notes is September this year. For the demonetization of 500 rupees notes, the finance was shared on the ongoing monsoon session. In view of the above, and in pursuance of the clean notes policy, the Reserve Bank of India, it has been decided to withdraw the 2000 rupees denomination banknotes from circulation. But public members can continue to use a 2000 rupees notes for their transactions, and also receive them in payment. However, they can exchange or deposit these banknotes on or before 30 September.